Life's little scars can draw me within, but I know that it's all in the game. Can't take it personal or feel ashamed. If I need assistance, I know where I can get it. It's my persistence to keep my head up. So when I feel resistance, I know life's only testing. I grant myself permission to stand tall and know it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I'll be alright. It's 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 alright. When lightning crashes and thunder may roll, I feel a yearning so deep in my soul. You know it's an elation of the mind, some kind of frustration